I am convinced that nothing we do is more important than hiring and developing our people. It's our number one priority above all others because you and I, we bet on people, not on strategies. Peter Drucker, the father of modern day management, said that 2/3 of all hiring decisions are hiring mistakes. And after conducting hundreds of workshops on the predictive hiring model, I haven't met anyone who disagrees with this assertion. This means that we're wrong almost 70% of the time. But it doesn't have to be that way. After years of refining the predictive hiring model, I can confidently say that we can flip the script and get it right 90% of the time using a consistent process because we all crave consistency when it delivers results. So, what is the predictive hiring model? It's a systematic, repeatable process that helps hiring managers make informed hiring decisions and improve the quality of their new hires. As Jim Collins says, get the right person in the right seat on the right bus. And if you'll trust the process, it will yield results for you. And I have the data to prove it. The challenge is that tools and techniques are only as powerful as your commitment to use them. During one of my workshops, Eric Henson, president of Logistics Worldwide, shared his story. In over 2 years, they had hired 200 temp employees. But after applying the predictive hiring model, they hired just 20 people for the same roles. This saved them significantly and reduced emotional and physical stress as employees stayed longer and they integrated better into the company culture. And I believe you'd have to agree that these results aren't random. They come from applying a proven process consistently over time. And I've seen it work in multiple organizations of all sizes for over 2 decades. And at the heart of this model are 6 essential disciplines. And here they are. The first key is clarity through alignment. Defining success for the role ensures that you know exactly who you're hiring. Skipping alignment sharply decreases your chances of finding top talent by 56%. Use tools like the ideal candidate profile and the job requisition to gain this clarity. There are numerous other tools available to you. Great vision without great people is irrelevant. So, great recruitment means sourcing strategically. You can't wait for the best talent to just come to you. We need to tailor-make our value proposition to candidates and transition our candidate recruiting from a passive farmer approach to a proactive hunter approach. The farmer approach, relying on patience and placing ads, struggles in the face of a shrinking talent pool and a competitive marketplace, while the hunter approach is proactive and engages top talent. Build a strong talent pipeline and create an employee referral program that goes well beyond small incentives. The predictive hiring model is chock full of ideas to help you attract the best of the best, whatever the role is. We all have biases, but we minimize these by using structured, objective assessments. One of the greatest challenges in hiring today is that our society has shifted towards prepackaged responses rather than genuine thoughts and real answers. You have to be equally prepared in order to see through the polish and to get to the heart of the true person. Tools like competency-based interviews and work samples give you a broader view of candidates. Remember, hire for both hard and soft skills, not just technical abilities. Hire for the whole person. When you do this, you achieve real, lasting results. Preparation is critical. The most common hiring mistake is not preparing enough, which can completely derail your entire hiring process. Without thorough preparation, we can overlook vital details, misjudge a candidate's potential, and make decisions that cost us time, money, and emotional energy. Treat every candidate with respect and be proactive to avoid losing top talent due to delays in the process. Remember this, the candidates are evaluating us and our company just as much as we are evaluating them. This is where we seal the deal. The way we present an offer leaves a lasting impression. Throughout the entire process, we build rapport. We even create an emotional connection that enhances the candidate's experience and reinforces our values and our culture. There are so many vital points in this discipline, but one of the key takeaways is learning how to ask a crucial pre-closing question to your candidate about 24 to 48 hours in advance of any job offer. Here's the question. When it comes to the offer, what is most important to you? This simple question often unearths potential candidate issues, but it's so simple that most overlook it. So listen, discern, and use this pre-closing question. What gets measured gets improved. Research shows that successful leaders consistently evaluate their decisions. Taking stock in the hiring process is a vitally important way to quantify success. We need to track key metrics and make data-driven adjustments so that we refine our hiring process for greater success. The predictive hiring model creates a systematic, repeatable process that delivers high-quality results. Great organizations aren't built by chance. They're built by leaders who relentlessly focus on hiring the right people.